Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the Trucker Pro headset. I've already posted a review of this headset and I've been using it for a while and I really like it. So I wanted to do a quick microphone test video showing you what the quality of this microphone sounds like so that you have a better idea before you buy it. Now I'll connect it to my computer so you can hear it. Alright, so as you can see, I'm wearing the Mpow Trucker Pro headset, and all the audio you're currently hearing is coming through the microphone right here. The microphone actually sounds very clear in my opinion, so it's perfect for making calls, conference calls, anything like that with no issues. It's also very comfortable on my head. As you can see, it fits perfectly over my ear, and then I have this little piece right here just applying a little bit of pressure to hold the headset on my head. So hopefully this video helped you, and if you'd like to see a longer review of this headset, check the link in the description. If you have any questions about the Mpow Pro Trucker headset, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.